2 more patterns to go. Aren't you happy? Yes, she says, but I'd be happier if we were only doing the first 2. But we're going to do all of them. Okay. Now, the next one, flex, turn in high to the front, but the knee is straight. So it's what we did the first pattern except for opposite. Don't think too hard about that. Okay, so straighten your leg out, flex the foot and turn it in and keep our waist up and our abs in. Now this is like you're gonna wrap around a ball behind you, or if you're a dancer, it's like you're gonna wrap around your partner in your pas de deux. Good, and flex, turn in high. Now sweep around back. Now don't bend your knee until you get the hip extended and then bend it. Do you feel the difference? 2, flex, turn in high. So feel like you squeeze the tush and push back, and then at the last minute, bend that knee. 3. That way your hip flexors don't think they're gonna help you. You're gonna say, no, it's going to be my full tushy. 4. Keep that waist up. And 5. Nice, one more time. Flex, turn in high. And point, turn out low. 6. On your back. Figure 4. Left ankle over the right knee again. Shall we do the other side? Okay. Waist is up. Ribs are connected. Head is out. Tail is out. Here we go. Flex, turn in high. Now, bend the knee at the last moment and then wrap around your imaginary partner behind you. Press your butt more forward. Good. 1. Flex, turn in high. And then sweep it to the back and point, turn out low. And flex, turn in high. And point, turn out low. Nice. 3. Flex, turn in high. And point, turn out low. 4. 2 more. Flex, turn in high. Point, turn out low. 5. One more time, please. Flex, turn in high. And point, turn out low. 6. Deliciousness. On your back. Stretch it out. Right ankle over the left knee. Hands through the puka. All right. One more. Flex, turn out high, point, turn in low. I'm going to help you over on this side. So this one's really tricky to get for most people. Okay, abs are up, ribs are connected. You're going to reach your leg to me, flex it, and then turn it out and bring it up and sweep it and turn it in and then bring it down and reach it out. Flex and lift it up and bring it down and bring it back. 2. Good. Turn it out to the front. Nice. And turn it into the back. And again, turn it out to the front and turn it into the back. 3 more. Turn it out and turn it in. 2 more. Turn it out and turn it in. 1 more. Turn it out and turn it in. Good job. Knee over knee. You made it. Last one, darling. Flip. Waist is up. We're happy. And reach out through that heel. Flex, turn out high. And it doesn't have to be so here. Be more in a diagonal back, but lift it up a little more. Yes. And then point, turn in low, and bend the knee and squeeze. Good. Flex, turn out high. Nice. Yes. Do you feel the difference? And now you get a real big stretch in there. 2. Flex, turn out high. Point, turn in low. 3, and try bend, bend, bend. If you can. If it bothers your knee, don't go too far. Good. 4, and she's doing a fabulous jog. I'm sure her leg wants to fall off, but it won't. 5, until tomorrow morning. And flex, turn out high. And point, turn in low. 6, yay! Onto your back stretch. Right ankle over the left knee. I'm sorry, knee over knee for this one. Good. Rest. We've made it to stretch time. Yay. Okay, here we go. We're going to do some stretches for our hips. Some of these are going to be great for people that have some hip issues. Others of these may be too hard, so you pick and choose what works for you. All right, we're going to start with bringing one leg over the top, so knee towards the knee. If this doesn't work, you can just do this cross leg. All right, otherwise try it like this, and you're going to sit tall, and then we're going to twist out towards the side and open our chest. Your goal here will stay for a few moments is to keep neutral spine the best you can. Okay, and breathe gently and be happy because you don't have to do any more PNF patterns today. Yay! Okay, now you're going to twist back to the front and then go over your legs. You can do flat back if that feels good for a little while, and it's okay here if you don't have any back problems just to round forward, and then you can let your upper back stretch out as well. And again, just breathe gently. And come up. And change legs. So now you'll bring the other leg on top, and then you're going to take a nice tall spine and twist. And you're going to feel the openness across the back and then the lift through the crown of your head. Keep your abs up and in the whole time and just breathe gently. Nice. And now come back front and go ahead and flat back forward if you like. And if your back's okay, feel free to round it forward and get a nice stretch. Nice. And come up. Now we're going to go into pigeon stretch sequence. I like this sequence because it gets your whole hip all the way around three-dimensionally. So you'll bring one leg forward and bend it. The further your ankle is up towards your knee, the more stretch you're going to get. So if you only want a little bit of stretch, pull that heel closer towards your hip so it's not too strenuous. And then you're going to stay here and then round forward. You're trying to square your hips as much as possible so you can press down towards this extended leg, and that'll open up the front of this hip. And then on the right, the opposite side, it's going to open up the rotators on the right side. You can reach your arms out and turn your palms up, and then you'll get a nice stretch across your upper back as well. Agreed, Shannon? Yes. And just breathe here gently. And again, you can stay anywhere from 30 seconds all the way up to 2 minutes in each one of these positions. And then walk your hands up, tuck the back toe under, and then you're going to, if you can, try pull this knee up off the ground, abs are in, and then it's going to emphasize the stretch right in here. You will still feel it on the opposite hip though. And breathe gently. Nice. And lower down. And now you're going to turn around the other way. You're going to have the leg that was behind you extended. You're going to flex that foot and then bring a bent knee in towards you, still bent, sit tall, and you're going to go flat back forward. Now this may not be very far for any of you if you don't have a lot of hamstring stretch. Another thing that you can do here is if you need to sit on a cushion to lift you up so you can stretch a little bit, go right ahead and do this. You can also do this sitting on a chair. And if your back's doing okay, point your toe and then you can round and walk forward. You can grab onto your foot, you can walk your hands forward, whatever feels good, and then just get a nice big old stretch in your hamstrings and across your back. And come up. Other side. Bend that leg that was straight now, and then straighten the bent leg out. We'll do everything on the top. Go ahead and bow forward. Feel the stretch in the front to the right of the extended leg, and then the back of the bent leg out to the side. Palms are up. It'll stretch your shoulders a little bit. Breathe gently. Nice. Walk those hands up. Tuck the back toe under. Extend through that heel. Pull the knee up. Open the chest. Pull the belly up. Good. Lower down. Turn around. Straighten that leg out to the front, and then bring the bent knee in towards the other knee. Flex the foot nice and tall and flat back forward a little bit. And let's point the toe and round. Nice. And come up. Congratulations. We're done. Thank you so much for joining us. You can check us out online at www.upsidedownpilates.com. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/upsidedown-dance and Pilates. You can check us out on Instagram, and you can also go to our YouTube channel if you're not already there at youtube.com/upsidedownpilates, and we have lessons all the way back from the beginning, which I think actually this is our 10th year. Alrighty, have a fabulous day, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Aloha.